In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an animated outline text effect in Canva. This simple yet eye-catching effect will take your designs to the next level. And the best part is, it only takes about 5 minutes to do. So whether you're a Canva novice or a pro looking to add something new to your toolkit, this guide is for you. Let's kick things off by opening Canva. If you have an account, just log in, or if you're new to Canva, you can easily sign up using your email or one of your social media accounts. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by Canva's vibrant and user-friendly dashboard. Next, we need to create a new design. Head over to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the Create a Design button. You can choose any of the preset dimensions depending on your project, or use custom dimensions if you're going for something specific. This will open up a new blank canvas for us to work on. Now it's time to add some text. Select the text tool from the left-hand menu, choose the Add a Heading option, and type in the word or phrase you want to animate. This is where you can let your creativity shine with your choice of words, catchy phrases, or even just simple letters. Once you've typed out your text, the next step is to duplicate this text box. To do this, select your text box by clicking on it, then either right-click and select Duplicate, or use the shortcut Ctrl or Command+D. This will create an identical text layer directly on top of the original. Focusing on the top text layer, go up to the toolbar at the top and find the Effects option. Click on it and you'll see a variety of effects to choose from. For this tutorial, we want to select the Hollow effect. This will transform your text into an outline, creating that distinct look we're aiming for. Now that we have our outline text, let's add a touch of magic by animating it. First, we need to duplicate the page containing these text layers. You can do this by clicking the Duplicate Page button right above your canvas. It's usually represented by 2 overlapping squares. With your second page ready, the next move is to select both text layers. Click and drag over the text to select them, and then drag them to a new position on your canvas. Feel free to play around with the placement to achieve the desired effect. We're almost there. Head over to the pane between your 2 pages and a transition icon should appear. Click on it, and from the options that appear, choose Match and Move. This transition will animate your text between the 2 pages, giving that smooth, animated outline effect. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully created an animated outline text effect in Canva. Feel free to experiment with colors, fonts, and timing to make this effect truly your own. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.